So hopefully today I'm going to be doing Downsview Park Run. That's in Toronto, Canada. From this location by line of sight, it's only about 6 to 8 miles away. I think. Could be wrong. So I don't even know if we're going to get there on time. It's 7 o'clock. We're going for a tube, knowing that one of the lines is down for the weekend for repairs. So we're going to go on a different tube, then go on a streetcar, and then another tube. So who knows what's going to happen. Can't believe how long these tubes are. So now we're in St. Clair's West. We need to go to the subway to go to Vaughan. Here's the next one. So this is going to go northbound. So we're out of the Downsview station and we're heading towards the start area now, which is about 2.1 kilometres away. So because of the line 1 track closure due to remedial works, it's actually taken us an hour to get to Downsview underground station, because obviously, like I said earlier, I had to cross over, I had to go the other side of the line, get off at St. Clair's, jump on a streetcar, tram to us, and then cross over, heading westwards to St. Clair's West, and again grab the tube towards Vaughan North. So it took about an hour. Going back via a different train, we're going by Go Transit on the way back because it's direct half an hour. The only problem with it going north, they didn't have any trains early enough. So that's the way it is. So obviously now in the right place, Downsview Park. Heading along to the briefing area, which is actually the finish. Really nice piece of artwork, which is at the finish of Downsview Park Run. A little look around. So if you do need the toilet, that direction, here towards the car park.
Hey. My name is Steve. I'll be your run director today. And again, the run only happens because of these amazing volunteers here. Without them, nothing happens. So if you would like to volunteer at any one of our park runs here, please just send us an email. Parkrun at downsviewparkrun.com. It's very simple. We'd love to have you. We give you training for back to rule number 1. That's about it. So, lace up your shoes. We did the whole bunch. We have like 40, I think, new first-timers here, with many from various parts of the world. So, for the benefit of everyone else, hands up again. Who is from Seattle? Seattle. Then we have others from
County Durham, England.
There you go. We got the England. We got
England.
And we had someone from down under. There you go. Let's hear it for Sydney. Awesome. Well, welcome.
So we're just heading off to the start, and I plan on just videoing the first lap because it's 2.5 laps. I didn't bring any of the special camera equipment for this vlog, so it's just handheld phone footage here, but I'll obviously when I get back to the UK I'll do the video and release it on YouTube. That's 2.5 laps. Not quite flat.
If you want to get going,
You've got the hill to go up 3 times.
please bring me your barcode for scanning.
Lovely route. I think it's as it's always going to be in Canada. It's going to be red hot. So clearly the hottest run in this year. Loads of support from the volunteers, and without those volunteers it wouldn't happen. So kudos to all of those. There they go. That's brilliant. So I didn't quite set off my watch, so the Garmin won't show a full accurate 5k. So I was hopefully setting off this video to get it done. So I'm going to warm down. This is Downsview Park Run. So we finish off Downsview Park Run. I'm going to have to head away, pretty much straight away for our train, back into Toronto.